Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert a table on your Canva project. All you need to do is go to elements over here and then scroll down to find tables over here. You can click on see all in order to find more designs, and you have these designs by default. You can select any of them. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and then of course I can resize it if I want to. I can move it around, and I can double click or just click once in order to start typing something. So this is, let's say, text one, and I can start filling in every of these elements. You can also rearrange them even further. For instance, I can drag this one to the right like so, and then I can move this over here and this over here. I can change the size of these, so you can customize it pretty well. If you want to, you can also right click at any point over here and then click add row in order to add another row. We can also delete a row if we don't want it. We can add a column like so. We can of course add multiple. We can delete them over here. So you have a bunch of options after right clicking the table. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.